If you're wondering if Redmi Note 15 Pro does support 5G, first of all, one thing that we need to cover is that there's two device versions for Redmi Note 15 Pro. There's one with 5G and there's one without it. So this device does support 5G, but only if you buy a type of 5G with the box mark like this. If you have Redmi Note 15 Pro without 5G on the box, that means your device won't support it. And you can also confirm it by opening a settings on your smartphone. So go into the settings right here. Then all the way on the top, you can find about phone information. And inside there's device name. And if you haven't changed that name, you will find Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G. If you've changed that name, you can also confirm it by going into the Wi-Fi networks. And here, if there's any Wi-Fi that does support 5G, you should see a 5G mark next to that network, which confirms that this device that you have also supports it. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.